Hello mga kapatids, I'm getting ready for mango float making. Right, meron tayo ditong apat. Yeah, apat na graham po yan para sa mango float. And you also have apat din, no, na Alaska. So, we're not settling for less. Alaska is the best for me. And you also have 2 of this. So, di ba, apat din sila. And we have 2 kilos of mango. 2 kilos of mango. Malalaki sila. Right? First, we're going to prepare our mango. Babalatan at hiwa-hiwa. Right, so ganyan lang, diba? So, after this, after natin ilagay ito, yung Alaska condensed milk, and then ito naman, yung creamer natin. Kailangan lang natin haluin mabuti. Yes, kailangan haluin mabuti. Right, so nag-first layer na po tayo sa ating mango float. Kung yung nakita, meron ditong grahams. Ayan. So, hindi ko naman ipakita lahat. Siyempre, ang haba ng video, diba? So, yun lang. So, after the first line of graham, first level graham, then, lagyan natin ng mixture. Mixture ito ng Alaska condensed milk tsaka yung cream. So after that, lagyan na naman, patungan na naman natin siya ng mangga. Right? So every after another layer, you're going to add the mixture of Alaska condensed milk and the cream. Alright? Alright, so on to the 4th layer. On to the 5th layer. Yes, andyan na ang 5th layer natin. Patong na naman natin itong ating condensed milk with the cream. Yeah. And then, this is a time na magdurog na tayo ng ating biscuits. Right? Dudurugin natin para ipatong natin. Parang bali ano siya, pang 6th layer, pero hindi siya buong biscuits. Durog na siya. Right? To make it more delicious. And then, after that, lagyan pa natin ulit ng milk. Alright? Ganito lang pagdurog. Dudurugin lang natin ng ganyan. Durog na sila. So, lagyan na lang natin. This is bali pang 6, diba? So, kasi durog na. Bali pang 6 na ito. On to our final layer, all mangoes. And final toppings, our creamer. creamer with Alaska condensed milk. Ayan yung ating final toppings. So, makita nyo, delicious talaga ng sobra. Sarap na talaga tingnan. How much more pa kinain. So, i-freeze pa natin to. Nilagay pa sa freezer. Ready para mamaya. Ready na to para mamaya sa ating celebration. Ating finished product. Dadadang, dadang, dadang. Yeah, very big po. Giant na mango float po para sa aming family this New Year 2025 celebration. Alright, Happy New Year everybody!